Right, hey guys, so it is the 24th of April and obviously we are back out now in Spain, in Torrevieja, and we're actually off out this evening. So we're going out with the Brits Living in Spain down to Gong restaurant. Now, we've tried this to get in many times before, but it's always been very busy. It's meant to be amazing. The Brits Living in Spain, Helen, Andy and Bob, they absolutely love the place. They rave about the place, say it's one of the best restaurants in the area. So we are really looking forward to going and give it a go tonight. It's kind of supposed to be sort of Thai fusion food, I think is what it's supposed to be, and it's down in the Playa Flamenca Commercial Centre. So we're just waiting on being picked up. Sarah's just finishing off getting ready, and then we should be going. So hopefully, sorry, the screen's just gone off. So hopefully it's gonna be a really good evening. Go down there, have a drink first, and then go off for some nice Thai food, and we'll give it a go and we'll show you guys what it's like. So we're looking forward to this one because we've been after getting there for a while. So we will see you there shortly. Right, so we're now down here in Playa Flamenca Commercial Centre. We're with the Brits Living in Spain, so you can see them there. And we're just going off to find Gong. It's really busy down here already. There's people out sitting about drinking and singing, so it's really loud as well, so you might not probably be able to hear me. So all right.
How you doing, Dave? This is Central Commercial Flamenca Beach. Let's go.
No, it goes up and down.
Right, okay then. So there should be some set menus. If you scroll right down, there should be some set menus. And you don't have to go for that, Sarah. Whatever you want to.
So I was gonna go the Peking chicken tacos, because I've had a look and there should be nothing on there that
She
will do for me.
will do for you. So if you look at the taste and then you will say, right, you've already told you,
Yeah.
so she told you she'll do dishes for you.
Yeah.
She doesn't need money, she just wants to be happy.
He's just done me dirty as proper.
He's done you what? That sounds bad. What's he done? Apparently I've done a dirty. Of course you do.
Are you at it and all?
You've just done him dirty, apparently.
No, he's done me
Have I done you dirty? I've done her dirty.
That's all I need.
Alex, well.
Right, so we're here in Gong and we've just done our starters and they're amazing. So Helen, Andy and Bob, they had, I'm just going to try and get the light out there for a bit, that's better hopefully, you can see it now. So they had a chicken Caesar salad. Now, anyone that knows me knows that I do not do salad. Work of Satan, simple as that. But I tried their salad, absolutely banging and amazing. I had the dumplings. Again, it's just I don't know how to describe it, a flavour explosion in your mouth. One bit hits your tongue, one bit hits the sides of your tongue, then it's your cheeks, and it's just like fireworks going off in your mouth. Sarah had the tacos. Now, they were quite like sweet and sour for me. Very fucking amazingly good. But she would not normally do anything like that, and absolutely loved it. Thought it was fantastic. So yeah, starters down. Absolutely amazing. I keep sort of, and that's purely because I've still got so many amazing flavours going around in my mouth now.
So, look it up a little bit. Here's some, that's salmon tacos.
Salmon tacos, yeah.
Salmon tacos. And I've got mac and cheese.
She does look after you.
Ah, right. This, I actually saw this on the menu and I was like, ooh. So it's a sriracha mac and cheese.
Oh, right.
Do you two like salmon? No. Do you like salmon?
Oh.
No, okay, so we can't share this then. Andy, the crispy onions on it, that's what you can taste.
You see, I can pick it out straight away and then I'm like, nah, I'm not eating that.
Try some of that.
It's a mac and cheese. You've got to give it a go if it's mac and cheese.
Yeah, you've got to put the whole thing in your mouth and eat it. So that's called an F-bomb.
Alright,
in
now
the middle
it's
it's
like
prawns.
crispy on the outside and then it's prawn, crispy like crisps.
It's like a prawn Ferrero Rocher. Now we've got that's got.
But with, if you imagine like the salad that you've just had, that
Yeah.
you don't eat salad.
Yeah,
Don't
but
do salad.
they don't do prawns there, I don't think, do you? So,
Are you
Don't do
blue?
salad.
Look.
No.
Look.
Come on, mate.
I'm gonna.
You've got to do all it.
You've got your basil on your.
I was going to pick it up. At night.
I don't know if I'm gonna fit that in.
It's soft.
Get out.
You're not going to get that in.
That's really good.
This, I ain't got the mics on, is an F-bomb. Crispy, basil,
Bit of chili.
chili,
I can taste coconut as well.
prawns. Ellen can taste coconut, she's already had hers. Apparently her mouth's not big enough, she couldn't get it all in.
Challenge accepted.
They're lovely. They're really good. Yeah.
Yeah. Horrible. You need to have some more after.
I don't think you'll get that.
Oh, no, I've not got that yet. Sorry, darling.
Right, here we go. I've not licked that plate or anything, so that's for you two to try. Red curry dumplings.
So it's likely to be coconut milk.
We haven't.
That'll be that's coconut, definitely coconut milk. That is delicious.
Crack on. Well, it's egg something.
Egg fried rice.
That's not egg something. But, yeah. Got a photo? Oh, sorry, love.
No, good. I was using your light. So.
No, that's what I'm saying, sorry.
No.
Here you go, get what you need. Which is going to be like the curry sauce that we just had on the dumplings, I think. But
Cheers, my love.
it's got duck in it.
Yeah, you need to get me a photograph. Thank you.
I'm not very good at photos.
Noodles.
They're yours.
No. They must come with the... Did you order noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, did
I
you?
thought you wanted noodles. If anyone wants any, help yourself.
Light.
You're right, Bob.
All right, Bob.
There you go, so you've got noodles, yeah?
Noodles as well.
Oh my god.
Should I do the...
No. Oh, this is beef cheek, basil and chili, which tells me it's beef cheek, pack up out. Get your spoon out. Get your spoon out. Get your spoon out. I'll stab you. I'm gonna stab you.
It needs to be a spoon to mix it all in.
Go on then. Egg test for Paul.
Oh. Mix it all in, Dad.
We need another egg.
There we go.
Oh, I'm sure this is pack up out.
It is.
There's the chicken in walnut, the sherry.
Chicken in what?
Walnut chicken.
Is that an extra?
Sorry?
Have you ordered something?
What did you order, Sarah?
Sharing menu.
Oh, right, okay, yeah, okay. Some chicken that we've got as part of the sharing menu, no idea. I mean, there's that and there's that and there's
that.
Rice.
I think the egg fried rice might be ours.
I actually don't think that's on show.
The egg fried rice is for 2 people.
And this is crispy chicken. Oosh.
So put me of that out and pass it down for everybody else to taste.
With black pepper, garlic, something else.
How is it?
That's really lovely, really lovely. And I had a bit of yours. That is really, really, really lovely.
Can we try some of what?
But in fairness, we're all sharing.
Because
Yeah, no, it's really
Mum's all
nice.
big coconut milk, not milk. Sarah's lactose intolerant. Sorry, you didn't know.
Lactose intolerant.
You don't have to say that. Please.
No, but
No, it's all
so she's a bit concerned about it in case of the milk, but it's coconut milk, which is
Beautiful.
fine.
Yeah, it's all good. No, it's all lovely. Really, really lovely. Really nice as well.
You get a photo?
Just so nice. Any beef cheese? Rob, beef cheese?
I'm all good, thank you.
Oh my goodness, that's so nice.
I'm going to explode if I have to keep eating.
Well,
Guess what? There's another course.
That's because you had 3 Guinnesses before we got here.
You got told.
I'm just pointing
Again.
out a fact.
that is so nice.
And that funny little thing.
I'm glad we've entertained you. I just was so angry. So, sometimes I do.
But I have to be honest, even if you're like got the ump, that was really polite because I wouldn't. Got butter in it, babe. Thank you.
Trust me.
No,
No,
good.
no,
I
no.
don't I really.
There's an extra bit in there. It's got an extra bit in it. I'm going to tell you the secret in a minute. It's a herb.
There's mint in there.
There you go.
Or is it dark?
I'm just bringing them the menu. Right, we need to find out if we move the table back before we
Yes.
bring it up on the drink.
Put it away.
You don't normally say that.
Yeah, bet she does.
Story of my life.
Yeah. Is it out yet?
It's you.
Yeah,
I'm always
Just
what?
sadly so.
Don't blame me. I'm not involved. I'm not putting it in your face. Don't put it in your face. What are you talking about? Look,
It's got longer.
It's got its hands big. It's played with it, making it bigger.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. But what you need to remember, and he'll change it. Oh, let me get that way. Let me get that way. Dale didn't for the 50th.
Oh, okay.
Born same year.
Brilliant.
We both were. So
Yeah, we're
Seville,
51
Malaga,
71
Orlando,
members.
Venice, no Vienna, and
All over the place. Yeah.
all the
Once I was really
Right, so last night went to Gong, Playa Flamenca Commercial Centre, the sort of Thai fusiony food, and I can honestly tell you, it is the best restaurant in the area. I would say it's probably in my top 3 best restaurants that I've ever actually been to. The food is just, it's amazing. You eat the food and it's like fireworks going off in your mouth. Unbelievable, unbelievable. The taste, the flavours, the combinations, the textures, everything is just absolutely perfect. So if you get a chance to go to Gong, honestly, take it, because it is just so good. So yeah, go for it. You won't be disappointed. And just go to the set menu. There was lots of things on the set menu. We went there with Helen, Andy and Bob, Brits Living in Spain, and they let us try a few bits off of their set menu, and yeah, honestly it was just absolutely amazing. It really was. So give it a go, guys, you will not be disappointed. Also yesterday when we was up in Carmen's, I put a live on about it, but there was couple of subscribers that come up to us, and finally I didn't, because we was ordering food and that kind of thing, we didn't actually get a chance to find out their names, but apparently it's Dave and Angela from up in up by near where Carmen's is. They live just around the corner from it, so they come up to us and said hi. So a big shout out to Dave and Angela for watching our channel, and many thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy all the videos we do. Obviously we love doing them, and you know, it wouldn't be anything if we didn't have followers and people watching it. So a massive thank you for following, watching, and for coming and giving us a shout out, guys. So thanks very much.